Hetepu. Peace and blessings to all from Divine Peace Meditation and Yoga. This is Baba Sekou and Mama Imani. It's about 6 a.m. on a fresh Sashata Tahuti Tuesday. We are sitting on the front stoop, waiting for the sunrise. Storm came through, but since I work on Mondays and, traveling, a couple of buses, a lot of walking, Mondays I am usually knocked out around sunset. And so the rain came through. Baba Sekou tried to wake me up. He said I babbled a little something, and then he let me go on back to sleep. So, inconsistent watering has dried out some of the leaves of our porch plants. The storm seemed to have tipped one of the zinnia plants. But there were some hot and humid days. I was feeling a little bit down and just didn't feel like coming outside at all. I would come outside early in the morning, water the plants, and then when it came time for sunset watering, I wasn't feeling it. And for 2 or 3 days, I stayed in. Things got dried out a little bit. Then yesterday morning, before going to work at Norfolk Senior Center, teaching the 9:30 yoga class and the 10:30 yoga class, I watered with rainwater. Of course, since we've gotten so much rain, I had plenty. But we're just sitting out here listening to the crickets, cicadas. Well, I guess this is crickets. And thinking about our blessings. We've got a little bit of debris in the driveway and in the yard. Not bad. Not like our sisters and brothers down south who got much more rain and wind, trees blown down. But other than a trash can or two, those cans have been out since Thursday, by the way. Other than a blown trash can or two, we did pretty well. I'm taking a look at the sky. Peace and blessings to Baba Sekou. I'm just taking a look at the sky. Clouds, but not sure if we're going to get any more rain or not. Just looking up. Maybe in half an hour we'll be able to see some birds. Hear some birds. And as it gets lighter, we will take a look at how the garden fared. Sekou, your thoughts about the storm? Or anything at all? Camera's on you.
Was a good storm. We got a good amount of rain, and compared to what other people are getting. We made out like bandits.
We're very fortunate, very fortunate. But we've checked a few live streams and a few uploaded videos of our more southern neighbors, and so far they are okay. Lots of cleanup, but that's after every storm. Well, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Early birds on the front stoop, and we will come back with another video later on today. Please click like for this video, leave an inspiring comment, and share it with other beginning gardeners, homesteaders, folk that like to sit on the porch and wait for sunrise. We're out here during sunset too, but lately it's just been too humid. May your Sashata Tahuti Tuesday remain safe and healthy and blessed in abundance. Mediah, much love to all. Blessed be.